Hi friends, it's Nathan, a third-year pharmacy student now, studying at the University of Waterloo. Welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. So we are long overdue a catch-up. I finished my exams and then I kind of left it off that, and then I never gave an update. So you read the title, you know what's happening. I moved to a new city. Now, I moved for my second internship as part of my work study program, and I'll be here for 4 months. I'm not gonna say what city yet. You will have to keep watching to find out, but we're gonna roll the clips. You're gonna see the move-in day, you're gonna see me explore the city a bit, and I hope you guys enjoy. I've missed you guys so much, so it's nice to be back. We're gonna start moving things into the truck there. So we've got my mattress, my roommate's bed frame, my clothing rack tripod in here. This is my bed frame, standing desk, drawers. Under there is my pictures for the gallery wall, comforter, shoe rack, kitchen stuff. There's my roommate's mattress and my pillows in there, and then more kitchen stuff. This is how packed the van is. We played Tetris, got everything in, and now we're gonna head to my roommate's place so that we can put his stuff in here as well. I hope you have space. About what you said, it keeps replaying inside of my head as much as I wish that I could forget. Why did you say to me? Why did you say to me? Just because we come so far. So we're just currently waiting to move in. We booked the elevators for 1 o'clock. It's currently 12 o'clock. We're a little ahead of schedule, which is good, but I don't really know what we're gonna do until that time. So now we're just moving things one by one from the regular elevators. This is what it's looking like so far. Just finished moving everything in. It's definitely a lot, and I would say I'm a minimalist, but this makes me not look like a minimalist. But we did it. Look at all the stuff. Okay, moving update. So we managed to bring everything in, and we're now just kind of setting things up, building things. My dad is with my roommate, and they're just working in his room, and I'm gonna focus on my room. And I'm not an engineer. I'm definitely not very handy or mechanical, so we're just gonna see as much as I can do. I'm gonna start off with these like grids, and these grids actually can form a shelf that I'm gonna put in my closet there. So let's start building. Okay guys, I finished building the shelf, and it only took me half an hour. It's safe to say it has been a very stressful day. So I brought my clothing rack, and I basically brought it out of the U-Haul. I put it down, and then I guess I forgot about it, so I just left it out in the open for an hour or so. When I realized I forgot it, I instantly went back down. Gone. Nowhere to be seen. And I'm pretty sure someone stole it. So whoever stole my clothing rack, I hope you enjoy it because I really needed it. And also, I forgot my bed sheets. So currently there are no bed sheets underneath the blankets or pillows. It's literally just the mattress. But it's only for a night because my parents are coming back up to drop off the rest of my stuff as well as some food. So it's not the worst thing, but like I am upset about the clothing rack because I did like it and I just have to get another one again. So it's a nuisance. I'll show you the rest of my room. It's actually pretty messy. There is a lot going on, and you know when there's just so much to do and unpack, you just don't know where to begin. My bathroom's pretty much done. I'm gonna probably take a break from my bedroom just because it's kind of overwhelming, and I'm gonna move to the kitchen, and then I'm gonna unpack all my food, utensils, appliances, all that kind of stuff. Not the whole shower bar just falling on me.
Queen of clowns, why did you say to me? Why did you say to me? Just because we come so far.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I just wanted to pop in and show you my new watch from Taskade Designs. Now, Taskade Designs is a watch brand that makes a bunch of high quality stylish watches. The one I'm wearing right now is called the My Series and it's designed by Michael Young. You guys know my style. You guys know what I like to wear, and this watch goes perfectly with all my outfits. Let me show you the watch in detail and then I'll show you the outfits. The watch has a minimal flat dial design, and with the high-end materials of stainless steel, along with the internal mechanisms, so those hand movements, it creates a very aesthetic look. Now here it is paired with a casual outfit, and it works well because it is minimal and it's black, but also if I wanted to dress it up, you have the hollow structure, which creates a very unique look that you won't find in any other watch. If you guys are looking to accessorize and elevate your outfits, check out Taskade Designs. I will link them below, and you can use code 10STASKADEDESIGN for 10% off. Progress is actually really good. I finished putting everything away in the kitchen, and I'm just gonna eat dinner now. So it's really simple, very wholesome meal. I have pizza and a pork floss bun, and this is gonna be my first dinner in the city. Day 2 of moving in. I went to Chick-fil-A for lunch, got a spicy deluxe, and of course, Sunjoy. But now, I need to continue building the stuff for my room. I'm gonna build this 4-drawer storage cart, and I feel like I can do it. My dad was a little bit dismissive. He thought that I couldn't do it. He was like, I'll do it myself. But then I was like, no, I feel like I'm smart enough to do it. So we have all of this stuff taken out here, and we're just gonna start building this cart together. We're now off to dinner. I think we're gonna go get some Thai food. I think that's what we're craving. And yeah, I'll let you know when we get there. It's around a 15-minute walk. There's just a lot of walking in this city. It's so busy here. I'm so glad we walked in, got a table right away. They had one just for us 3. So let me just show you the aesthetics. I am so full, and like I'm trying not to walk too fast because I know that I'm gonna cramp, but we're heading back now, and my parents are gonna drop me off at my friend's because they're having a party, and it's actually someone that I just met on Friday, so my move-in day, and he was like, hey, do you want to come? We're having a party, and I was like, sure. I love meeting new people, so I'm really looking forward to that. Good morning. So something came in the mail today and I wanted to show you because it's really cool. This is a scan reader pen from New Yes. This is what it looks like. It's touchscreen, so basically I'm planning on going to Europe possibly in December, and I don't speak languages in Europe. So what this pen can do for me is that it can translate written text. It can also translate verbal text. So just as an example, I have my like Wi-Fi manual here, and if I just scan it, it'll translate it for me. So I have it on the French setting here. So that's how to pronounce it, but we can do the translation.
Where to place your terminal.
Isn't that so cool? Verbally, it can do it as well. Where is the washroom?
Où est la salle de bain?
Isn't that so cool? And I can just bring this along anywhere. If you guys are doing a bit of traveling and you need some translation help, I'll link it below. Hello, hello, it is late afternoon, and I just finished filming a video, which I will edit later tonight, but I'm gonna go make some dinner, and my mom actually brought me some food. Look how cute this package is. We have our lobster broth, and then we have our noodles, and then some bean sprouts, and we're just gonna cook it all up. The broth smells so good. We're gonna put in the noodles now, so let's just plop it in. and heat it all up. We're just gonna give this a try here. Let's get a bit of broth and some noodles in here. And let's put, okay, let's try it. This is so good. It's homemade. Everything is like all fresh seafood and that's amazing. Okay, I'm going to watch a show, enjoy this, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. So, did you guys guess that it was Toronto? This city is so inspiring, and I lived near the city, but never actually in the city. And this is really my first opportunity to experience everything this multicultural, diverse community has to offer. I just can't wait to explore it, bring you along with me, live our main character lives, get motivated, get inspired, achieve success, achieve the world, and it's gonna be a great 4 months. So let me know video ideas down in the comments below. Any certain things you wanna see? Of course, I'm still gonna do the study vlogs because I'm gonna be studying in cafes, I'm gonna study in historic libraries. Like, this city is so rich in culture and experiences. I can't wait to share them all with you and motivate each other together. But are there any certain things, even things outside of the box, maybe a little bit apart from my usual content? I am so open. I love to hear your suggestions, and it's just gonna be another great 4 months. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like. And if you want to see more of me, study vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, study advice videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you want more day-to-day content of my life as a student, you can follow me on Instagram at NathanWu. I also post a bunch of funny, relatable reels that you guys absolutely love. I'm also on TikTok at It's NathanWu. But that's it from me, and I'll see you friends in the next video. Bye.